New hair, who this? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be on this hair. It's just like a quick and easy, kind of like a loose fishtail pompadour type situation. I don't know what you want to call it, but whatever. It's just going to be something, quick little video on that. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting with hair that looks a mess. First things first, I'm going to blow dry my hair. Well, before that, I'm going to actually put product in my hair, because right now it has literally nothing in it, it's just damp. So I'm going to put in my leave-in conditioner. Just take a little bit. Just a little. And put that in my hands. And I always focus on the ends first and then kind of rub it through. Once you do that, you can grab like a wide tooth comb and kind of comb it through. Try to get the product distributed through your hair. So from this point, I'm going to take my oil sheen here, my little Motions oil spray. I'm going to spray some of that in my hand here. Rub my hands together. Same process. Once again, grab your comb. Go through. So now what I'm going to do is I'll take my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protection Spray and I'll spray that on that section. Once again, comb it through. So once you're done with that, and it's evenly distributed through your hair, take your brush. You can do like a round brush like this, or a little brush like this or something. Whatever works best for you. So you're gonna take that and blow dry your hair. We're just gonna go ahead and finish blow drying my hair off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so clearly it wouldn't be a touch style video apparently without a audio issue. There was like a weird buzzing noise going on this entire time, so clearly I have to do some type of voiceover. But anyways, yeah, just combing my hair back now, just kind of get it going in the general direction that I'm going to be styling it in. For this section, you could use a tail comb, which I did just show. If somebody's doing this for you, then it would probably be easier to use a tail comb rather than their fingers. Unless they have nails, then it'll be easier, but whatever. So clearly here, going ahead and sectioning out a small section in the very front of my head. So with this section, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to split it into two different sections. Even sections. And that's pretty much going to be the start of your fishtail braid. So from there, you're going to take a section of hair from your left side or your right side, whatever side you decide to start on. I started on my left. And you're going to section it off like I just did and cross it over the front of the left side. Yes, that sounds confusing, but you'll see in a minute what I'm talking about. So you're gonna cross that over and combine it with the hair that's in the opposite side. And you're gonna repeat that step on the opposite side, doing the same thing, getting a section of hair and crossing it over the front of that section that you just did and combining it with the hair on the opposite side. And basically at this point you're just going to keep doing that, just crossing it over from left to right, combining with the hair over there, and then from right to left and combining with the hair over there, and you're just going to keep going back and forth all the way back until you're at the very back. And here we're going to go ahead and get this sped up for you. As you're doing this, you should try and get even sections as you're going back, just to make it more uniform. Once you get down to the very back right here, you can just do like a regular braid, or you can continue the fishtail braid pattern and then put that in a ponytail. You just go down like a maybe a ½ inch past the end of your hair, and that's pretty much all. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to take smaller sections and little by little loosen up that braid that you just did, just pulling at each section little by little, just getting more volume. Be careful with this if you have shorter hair, because you can pull out one of the sections, and if you do that, then you pretty much ruin the whole thing and you'll have to start the braid over. So yeah, go little by little, which is what I'm trying to do here until I reach my desired height that works for me. So from here, you're going to open up a little pocket in the back, and you're going to flip your little ponytail that you have underneath. You should have at this point loosened it up enough for this to be very easy. You're going to take a bobby pin and just pin that back part down, just so you don't have like a weird gap there, and secure it a little bit better. And that's pretty much it. Here's your final result. Okay guys, this is going to be the final look. Let me know what you think below. Hopefully you guys are able to learn something from this. If you were to, you can do the same look. If you were to do the same look, but like in way smaller sections, it would look completely different, because you would get more of that traditional like fishtail braid look from it. And obviously you'll have more of those like defined lines and stuff going down the side to kind of add to it. But yeah, just a thought. But make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it to all of your friends and family and your co-worker. Yeah, all of them. Share it to everybody. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Make sure your notification bell is on. Right down here below next to like the subscribe button, I believe there should be like a little bell symbol. Click on that, and that'll keep you notified as to when I upload my next videos, or when I upload in general. You'll get a notification to know that I did upload something, so you're not like behind or missing any of my videos or anything like that. So yeah, make sure that's on, and like and subscribe and comment, and let me know what you guys think below. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions or anything, just leave it down below, and I'll try to get back to you guys as quick as I can. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video coming at you next week. Bye guys.